In a bustling metropolis, where skyscrapers touched the sky and people rushed like streams of electricity in interwoven circuits, there began a quiet transformation, one that subtly infiltrated offices, homes, and hearts. This was the dawn of a digital culture. Among the city's residents was Elena, a 35-year-old graphic designer who often found herself lost in the realm of colors and screens. Preferring pixels over people, she had long embraced the digital world, finding in it a kind of kinship. Her mornings began not with the sun, but with the soft glow of her tablet. In contrast, Jonah, a 40-year-old corporate manager, had always lived by the analog clock. His world revolved around paper, handwritten notes, and face-to-face meetings. Technology, to him, seemed an encroaching beast, one that threatened the sanctity of traditional practices. Despite their differences, the digital wave slowly enveloped everyone, irrespective of their inclination. Emails replaced memos, video calls substituted in-person gatherings, and team chats took over water-cooler conversations. Businesses realized the potential of digital imperatives and started pushing for more substantial online presence. It wasn't long before Elena and Jonah's paths crossed at a cultural transformation workshop. Creating a digital culture, the header read, projected onto a large digital screen. It emphasized the importance of adaptation, urging participants to acquire digital literacy and embrace the world of tech as an ally, not an adversary. Elena, intrigued by the human aspect often neglected in digital transitions, found herself gravitating towards Jonah. Jonah, in turn, saw in Elena a guide to navigate the sweeping changes he had been reluctant to accept. Their initial exchanges were marked by Jonah's skepticism. How can we replace the authenticity of face-to-face interaction with a mere screen? He would question. Elena, in her gentle tone, explained, "It's not about replacement, but enhancement. Imagine being able to connect with someone 1,000 miles away, share experiences, visualize ideas. Technology can facilitate that." Slowly, the cogs of a new partnership began to turn. Jonah began experimenting with digital platforms for remote meetings, realizing his notes could become more efficient as digital documents that were easily shared and archived. Simultaneously, Elena gained an appreciation for traditional methods' personal touch, understanding that technology should not only focus on efficiency, but also on human connection. As they collaborated, the ethos of a digital culture started to crystallize among workshop participants. It wasn't just about adopting new tools, it was a mindset shift, viewing digital not just as technology, but as a means to enrich human interactions. The city's skyline, once dominated by bricks and concrete, began to glow with digital screens, each one depicting vibrant faces from across the globe, connected in an intricate web woven by shared stories and experiences. Elena and Jonah found themselves at the forefront of this new era, champions of a digital culture that embraced continuity and change. Stay tuned.